So I know what you're feeling right now if you're feeling overwhelmed by this test, and I promise you that this is something manageable that you are going to do well on and get through. So, super excited to have everyone here today for two reasons. First of all, in today's webinar, I will be sharing all of my best advice with you for studying for and preparing for the DAT. I'm basically going to be walking you through from start to finish how I studied for this test and give you all the tips and tricks and advice that I used along the way. And I'm hoping this advice is helpful to you no matter where you are in your study process. So even if the DAT is not something that you're taking for another year or two, hopefully this advice is helpful for you for when you do start studying for the test. Same thing goes if you're taking the test in just a couple of weeks, say, and it's coming up and it's right around the corner. I also have advice that is going to help you boost your score and really help you get the scores that you want on this test. Second reason I'm very excited to have everyone here today is that at the end of this webinar, I'll be sharing a discount code with everybody who's here today, and this is going to help you save money on your DAT resources. And I know as a student myself how expensive this process can be. From taking the test to applying to dental schools, it really is an expensive process. So I'm hoping this is going to save you some money on getting the resources that you need to be successful on the DAT. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first, I'll start by giving you an overview of the DAT for those of you who may be somewhat unfamiliar with this test. So the DAT is a standardized test that is required for admission at all dental schools. And it is a long test. It is several hours long, and it includes a bunch of different subjects. So the first section of the DAT is known as the Survey of Natural Sciences. And this section includes biology, general chemistry, and everybody's favorite organic chemistry.